Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to work again with themes. In this video also, I have used inertia with React, and in this video, I want to show you how we can make a CRUD with using themes also. So let's go and register here with a new user using the fake filler. And by default, when we create a user and we work with themes, it's going to also generate a theme, which is a personal theme for this specific user. And I have added here a CRUD for posts. If I go here, yeah, we have something like this, no posts yet. We can go and create a new post. Let's use fake filler, publish a post. Okay, we have also to delete the post, and we can go back to posts. And right now, as you can see, we have only one post, one contributors, and yeah, three words. The user who created this post is this one, which is the same user as we are logged in right now. And we can open that post here. We can go back and we can delete also if we want. Now let's go and create a new theme. We can create a new theme here, or we can go on the settings, themes, and I'm going to create a new theme. And let's name it just inertia here. Okay, I'm going to create this theme. We are the owner of this theme. Now I'm going to invite a member for this one. So let's just invite. I'm going to use a fake filler here and send the invitation. Okay, here we are. We are on this inertia now, okay? If I go to post, inertia theme, if I go to post here, you can see we don't have any posts. But if we change this one, which is our personal theme, we have a new post. And here we have a post because when we created the post, I chose this personal theme. Now, if I choose another theme, if I go to create a new post here, publish the post, go to back to posts, and now we have a post created for this inertia, in this inertia theme, and also by this user, which we are logged in right now. If I go and create another one, publish the post, go back, now we have two posts, one contributors and three words here. And yeah, here's the post one and here's the post two. Now, because we are the owner, or we are who created the post, we can edit and delete the post here. Now let's go back and just go to themes again, because I want to copy this email here. I'm going to open this project in another browser. In here, I'm going to register and I'm going to use a fake filler here. Just copy the email we have here. And I'm using Matchtrap again. Okay. Yeah, we have sent the invitation, which is right now here. Let me just paste this email and I'm going to create the account. Okay, right now, when we create the account, immediately the Laravel is going to create also a personal theme for this user. But now let's go and copy the invitation link. And I'm going to paste that link here and hit enter. And now we redirect the dashboard, but inside the inertia theme. Okay, if I go to posts, you can see we have two posts here. Because we are inside the inertia theme, we have two posts and one contributors. Yeah, we can only see the posts. As you can see, we cannot edit and delete the posts because we are not the owner of that post. If I go to and select my personal theme, I don't have any posts yet here. If I go, we can create a new post and go back. And yeah, here on my personal theme, we have one post. But what if I choose the inertia here and create a new post? Let's use a fake filler, save, back to post, and now we have three posts here inside the inertia theme, two contributors, two users, this one and also this user here. And now we have two posts here, the latest entries. We can only see them, but this, because we created this post, we can open, delete. So let's open, update, and so on. Okay, this is how we can work with CRUD on using the Laravel themes feature. We can create a CRUD for the specific theme and only the owner. We also can change that. For example, the owner of the theme can also delete and edit the post, but for now, only the owner of the post can edit and delete. The members of the team can just view a post CRUD. And I'm going to show you also the post migration. Here I have the post migration. In the post migration, I have added the team ID and the user ID. Okay, and here we check if the user ID is the same as the auth ID. We display the link to open and delete the post. The same for here. If we go the inertia post, if we hover it, you can see we have a link to edit and delete. So we check if the auth ID is equal with the post user ID. We display the links here. Okay, friends, that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you, CRUD with Laravel themes feature. Now, if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, because it's going to rank me on YouTube and it's going to motivate me to create more content like this. If you have any questions, drop a comment on this YouTube channel and I'm going to answer or create another video about your comment. That's it for now. All the best and see you in the next one.